Hi, in this video I want to teach you how to write a socket server with Node, Express and socketio and use it in the React app. My name is Mohammad Oftadeh, with me until the end of this tutorial. Well, let's do it. Create a folder called server and we enter the folder, cd server and enter the npm init-y to create a package.json file. Good. And here package.json file, and then we install the modules we need. npm install course.env, express, nodemon and socket.io module. Good. We need these modules, course.env, express, nodemon and socket.io. Okay, well, now we are going to create a file called index.js, const http and require http is a built-in Node.js module to create a server, and add the .env module and add the course module, require course and here .env.config method, and here add the path config.env. okay, create the file config.env, and here add a port variable with 9013. Save the file and back to the index.js file here, and refers to config.env path is referred to the config.env file. Okay, add the express module, require express and const app express, call it express, and here add a socket utils module, require utils and socket utils.js here, and create a utils folder, and then create a socket utils file and socket utils.js. here add a socketio module, and socketio require socket.io, and here exports .io, pass the server and return the instance of socketio. .io is an instance of socketio. Pass the server and with some options, transport is polling, and add course origin set star. Okay, and exports dot connection, pass the io instance of socketio io dot on connection event, and get the socket parameter and log the console.log a user is connected, and then add a new event socket.on message and log the message, get the message parameter and log the console here message from socket.id with message here, message, and then socket.onDisconnect event when a user close the browser or close the socket, disconnect event is emitted, and console.log socket.id disconnected. Okay, and save the file back to the index.js file, const server, http create server, and pass the app, Express app, and const io create instance of socketio with socketutils.sio pass the server. Here io create an instance for me with pass the server. Okay, and socketutils dot connection, call it connection, and pass the io. Here pass the io instance of socketio, and here use it. Okay, now create a middleware, socket io middleware for handling socket io, and emit an event into the routes request ranks and request.io equal io and call next. Okay, add a new middleware course app.use course module, pass the course module for handling course policy, and create a route app.use /API version 1 /hello, and socket io middleware, pass the socket io middleware request response, and here I can access the request.io emit an event, message event with text hello, and request.original URL. Original URL means /API /version 1 /hello, and rest that send the message hello world. Okay, and here listen the server const port process.env.port or 8000. Here server.listen port, log the message. Here app running on port 9013. Here save the file and test the server. Here back to the package.json file. Here package.json, and add a start script and node-moon index.js file. Here close the file, and in terminal run the app npm start app running on port 9013. Looks good. In the browser, and write address localhost 9013 API version 1 hello. You can see hello world message, and open the new tab hit the socketio tool online. We can see socketio client tool, amritb.github.io. This website is client tool for testing socketio server. Here and server here amritb.github.io/socket client tool. We can use this website for handling socket server and test socket server. Change the port 9030 emit, and here listen and emit a message event. Here a user is connected, and here refresh the page. When they refresh the page, you can see the message. Refresh the page, and here you can see the message hello/API/version1/hello, and this is message event emitted. And you can see refresh again, and here hello/API/version1 hello, and emit a message. We can see here add a message event into the socket utils file. You can see message event and add here and here. This is a test message for testing the event. Hit the emit, and you can see message from socket.id and message text. This is the test message. And second message emit, click the emit button, and you can see in the console message. Okay, create a React app with client, call it client. Create React app and use the socketio in React app, cd client, and start the app. Yarn start. Okay, React app is start. Here localhost 3000, and you can see the React app is running good. And browser, make browser smaller and change it. Okay, it looks good. And into the client app.js and clear.app.js file, and add the p tag socket.io app text, and here add the button tag, type button, and pass a function on click, handle click with emit message, a time message text. Here remove the logo import, here import use effect and use ref from React here, and before import socket.io client we need to install it, cd client, and yarn add socket.io dash client, hit enter, and installing the module. Okay, and add the socket.io to the React app, import io from and socket.io dash client. Here add a socket ref, socket equal use ref, and here use effect. Here use effect and socket dot current equal IOWS WebSocket slash localhost colon 9013 and socket dot current dot on connection event and log the console arrow function here, arrow function and log connected to server here. Okay, add brackets const handle click. Good. Here I emit a message socket.current.emit a message. For example, you can use new day class date dot get time method here. Okay, now save the file and refresh the page. Okay, you can see socket.io app and emit time message button. You can see the server, a user is connected. Refresh the page and hit the emit a time message. Yes, message from socket.id and you can see the time in the server utils socket utils and you can see message from socket.id with message. And here handle click and test again, emit a time message. You can see time, try again and try again. Great, have a nice day, bye bye.